Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video we're gonna see how to implement login with Facebook. So for that we have to install react-native-fbsdk. So I already installed that SDK and I'm using the previous project login with Gmail. So for that you have to enter this command npm install react-native-fbsdk, or you can use yarn. So I already installed that. Now I'm going to show you the Android setup. So for that we're going to click Getting Started Guide for Android. Then we're gonna click Quick Start for Android. And you have to create a app name. So I'm gonna enter my app and create new Facebook ID, app ID. So your display name and your contact email ID, and create app ID. So app ID is created. So what we have to do, we don't have to add this and we don't have to add this. We have to add this line in this location. So we have to go Android folder, then app folder, then src, then main, then res, then values, then string.xml. We have to add this line, and we already have that permission in manifesto. Secondly, we have to add this line in our manifesto before application start, after application tag here. Then secondly, we will ask for our package name, and our package name is this. And secondly, we have to add your package name dot your go to Java folder, then main activity, then this class name. So we have main activity by default dot main activity, and then second next, click next, use this package name. And second, you have to add key hashes. For development purpose you have to create a development key hash. For release purpose you have to create release key hash. So in previous video we have created, in previous video that we seen that login with sign up with Google accounts, we have created a release key store file. So we are going to use that key store file, and we're going to use that key hashes. And if you want to generate your key hashes from here, you have to, it will see we are gonna implement in production mode. So we have to enter this command line to get our key hash. So for that we have to open our command prompt and click on run as administrator, and we have to go to our Java bin folder, because I don't know, but we will get a key tool error if we run this command in our project or somewhere else. We have to run it from our Java bin, and we have to run this command using run as administrator. And if you get any kind of error like permission denied or something like that, please check out my previous video, sign in with Google account in React Native. There will find you any solution. There will find your solution. So we're gonna go to program files, then Java, then JDK, then bin folder. We're gonna copy that path and we're gonna go to that path. So I have my key store file over here. This is my key store file for that project. So whenever you enter, and we have to enter this command line to get our key hash. So we're gonna copy that line. You have to enter. So here you can see this is key tool export CRT and alias name, your key alias. So we are gonna use our key alias, and we have to and we can build.gradle file. We have our alias. So we're gonna paste our key alias, and we have to our release key path. And this is our, so I already have that file in our bin folder, so we don't have to go anywhere else. So you have to press enter. So we are getting an error that OpenSSL is not recognized as an internal or external command. So for that, if you are getting this error, OpenSSL is not recognized as an internal or external command. So let me show you how to solve this problem. So we are gonna search, and if you search that, you will find a Stack Overflow link, and then here is a solution. So we have to enter our OpenSSL path for this problem, and if you don't have any OpenSSL folder in your desktop or laptop, so go to these links and download any, like according to your operating system, 64-bit or 32-bit. Then it will provide a zip file. So copy this zip file, then go to your user, then your username, then copy that file over here like OpenSSL, and we have to locate this path. So we are gonna copy this, so I'm gonna create this path. So this is our OpenSSL path. So we are gonna copy this, and we are gonna replace our OpenSSL with this. One is here, another one is over here. So now if we hit enter, and it will ask for your key store password. So we have our password over here. This is our key hash. So we're gonna copy that, and we have to paste it over here, then click on next, and now it's complete. So our initial setup is completed, and then you have to go to my apps. You have to click on your project, then you have to on it. By default it's off, so you have to on. You have to go to in live mode. I don't know why it's taking too much time. what it says. It says that let me refresh the page. So it's not working, I don't know why. So firstly we are gonna create it's not working right now, I don't know why. Maybe because I added my same package earlier and then I deleted it. Because of that, maybe it's not working right now. So what we have to do, we have to go to Facebook login. Where is our Facebook login? So right here. Need to click on Android, and then you have to click next. I already downloaded that SDK. I already have that SDK. Click on next, and this is correct. Use this package name, then click continue. You already have that key hash. This is the key hash that we entered earlier. Then click continue. Leave it in single sign on for your app. Leave it as it is. Then click next, and we have to add this protocol schema. We have to add this protocol schema in our string.xml. And secondly, we have internet permission. And we already added this metadata. Now we have to add this activity in Android manifesto after this metadata. You don't have to add anything else. Now we are good to go. Then we are gonna save all the file. We are gonna use React Native run Android. So I already have that React Native CLI installed. If you don't have installed, so you have to run in npx React Native run Android. So our project ran successfully. So this is our previous project. So now if we go to the SDK site, React Native Facebook FBSDK, and here you can see we have to import login button and access token. So we are going to import login button and access token. Then we have to import, then you have to add this. Click on save. So if you click on login, can see here, if you click on login, it will obviously ask for ID and password, so I already logged in, so this is says continue. If I click on continue, this says logout, and if you click on logout, you have to be, it will ask me for login. So first in login, on login finished, it will check for any error, then check for user, if user cancels, then else it will store the token. And if you want to see the token, we have the token right now. So you have to store the token according to your authentication flow, then you are good to go with login with Facebook. So that's it. So if you have any question, please comment below, and thank you for watching. Please, if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe and share to your friends. And if you want to buy me a coffee, link in the description. Thank you.